Hello. Is it possible to maintain a lawn with the cheapest manual reel mower? Stay with me until the end to find out if it's suitable for you and what modifications you can make to improve your experience with it. Any enthusiast needs a manual reel mower in addition to the classic rotary ones with suction. I've been using this reel mower for 2 months, and based on my experience, it was something new for me. I'll provide you with a subjective opinion, both positive and negative, so you know what to expect from this reel mower. Let's skip the assembly part. It comes semi-assembled in the box. Basically, you just need to attach the handle with the 6 screws and connect it to the mower. You'll also need to adjust the blade from these little wheels to cut perfectly. This Bosch AHM 38G reel mower has 5 blades. The cylinder is formed by 5 blades with an effective cutting width of 38 centimeters. The cutting process is by shearing, just like a classic pair of scissors. To get the blade to cut correctly, you need to adjust it from these 2 little wheels. Finding the right balance may take some time. You probably won't get it right on the first try, but after a few mows, you'll understand how it works. You can test it with a piece of paper to see if it cuts correctly across the mower's surface. The cutting width is 38 centimeters, but the mower has a total width of 52 centimeters. So, there will be 7 centimeters between the blade and the wheel that you won't be able to mow. You'll need other tools to trim the edge of the lawn, such as an electric scissor. This mower is very light, weighing 7.7 kilograms. It's easy to transport and maneuver. Being lightweight, I purchased it because, after seeding or overseeding, the soil is usually very soft. With this mower, you can intervene without causing havoc in the lawn, leaving no traces, and cut the grass correctly, providing a much more qualitative cut compared to a classic lawn mower. This manual lawn mower relies on a drum that is part of the height adjustment of lawn mowers, and can help if you want, but you'll need to go over it 2 to 3 times to create some stripes on the lawn. It can cut between 1.5 and 5 centimeters, with 3 adjustable height levels. It's easy to adjust, but it's not the most ergonomic height adjustment for a mower. This mower comes with a 26-liter basket. It's more than nothing, but if you mow every 1 or 2 days, you probably won't need it because the clippings are very small and will decompose easily in the lawn. The only time I used the basket was immediately after rain, when you can mow right after and the basket can be useful. In conclusion, in about 90% of the time, you won't need this basket. Now let's see how noisy the reel mower is, how many decibels it emits at ground level and at the user's level. I'll measure approximately at 20 centimeters and somewhere at 1.5 m. As you saw, it's quite noisy. I tried adjusting the blade to reduce the noise, but at the current setting, which has been for 2 weeks, it cuts the grass most accurately. You need to be careful because the mower doesn't suck the grass blades from the bottom up. It doesn't create that vacuum. Over time, the lawn tends to leave some grass blades on the ground, and this mower doesn't lift them or cut them. If you have the possibility, every 1 or 2 weeks, you can use a classic mower that will suck up the blades, lift them, and cut them at the right height. Then, you can continue maintenance with this mower. I mentioned at the beginning that you can make modifications to this mower to improve your experience. I attached a racing handlebar to prevent the painted metal handle from slipping. Another improvement is filling the drum with gravel 4 to 8 millimeters, to make the mower a bit heavier, preventing it from jumping on uneven terrain. The mower is quite noisy, but I found a solution to reduce the noise level by installing sound-absorbing material. It sounds much deeper now, and I'll do a test to show that it will be much quieter. In reality, the experience with this mower changes drastically. Even if 5 dB may seem few, at our level, it will feel like a substantial change in the perceived sound. The last improvement I made to this reel mower is to the adjustment system. With the existing 3 holes, you can add a 4th hole to have an adjustment between 4 centimeters at the minimum and 5.5 centimeters at the maximum. This way, you'll have 4 variable adjustments instead of 3. The mower will cut between 1.5 and 5.5 centimeters. I'm very satisfied with the mower. It does more than its cost, and it's definitely a great buy for this type of mower. I recommend it. I tested it for 2 months, and yes, you can mow only with this type of mower. The only drawback is that from time to time, you'll need to use a rake in the lawn to manually lift horizontally growing blades. Instead of using a rake for this, I prefer to use a rotary mower with suction, which lifts and cuts the blades at the desired height. If you like this review of the mower, subscribe to stay updated on all the news I'll post on this channel. So, don't forget that until next time, the grass grows in the field and the turf in your yard. Greetings.